Alright, thank you for following. And please, if you know you've not watched the previous teachings, kindly go and watch them. Not just watch them diplomatically, watch them professionally, and understand them. Whatever question you have, always ensure you ask them. Alright, thank you. Let's go in for what we have today. Types of Forex trading. Alright, very quickly, there are many types of Forex traders. There are many types of Forex trading. Basically, we are going to look at few of them here. We are going to look at few of them. Forex trading can be classified into a few practical ways depending on the time frame, strategy, and market approach. Here we'll talk about them and we'll explain them. We have scalping. When we say scalping, what does it mean? Scalping involves making many quick trades within seconds or minutes. So somebody who is doing scalping, the person is referred to as a scalper. You understand? So anyone that is involved in scalping is automatically called a scalper. So when you hear somebody say I'm a scalper, it means that he or she closes trades within seconds or within minutes. You understand? It means that when you place a trade, what do I mean by a trade? If you watch the previous videos, you will understand that each time you buy or you sell, you are trading. Each time you buy or you sell, you are trading. So if you've not watched them, you can't understand what I'm teaching, because I will not go back to those lessons. Now I will only explain what I'm having on the screen. Scalping, we said it refers to what? It involves making many quick trades within seconds or minutes. It means that you are not placing trades to leave it for 2 days. You are not placing trade to leave it for even 1 full day. You understand? So immediately you are just placing the trade within 30 minutes, within few seconds. Once the price hits your target, maybe you buy US dollar, you place a buy trade of US dollar. Once the US dollar goes above, or your limit goes above the actual price you want to sell it, immediately you will just close your trade, meaning you have sold it. Like you are no longer in the trade, you have made your profit. So that is it. We said there are key features: trades last seconds to minutes, small profits per trade. You are not looking for, when you are a scalper, you are not looking for $50,000 in a trade. No, you are looking for just maybe few profits, like depending on your lot size. I believe we'll also talk about that if we've not talked about it. So you are looking for, let's say, $50, $100, $200. You understand? So that will determine when you will close the trade. All right, thank you so much. Then it requires full focus and fast execution. What does that mean? It means that you cannot be scalping and you are doing something else. A lot of us have made this mistake in the past. You understand? You are a scalper. You are scalping. You are trading. Then you keep your gadget, whatever you are using to trade, phone or laptop, you keep it aside and you are doing something else. The trade might just go against you, or the trade might even hit your target. Then because you are not there to monitor it, then it will later go back against you. So if you are a scalper, you must ensure attention. Your attention is highly needed, because you are doing what? A real-time trading. Money is involved. It's just like a businessman or a businesswoman who opens his or her shop. Once he or she opens the shop, then he or she will just leave there. He will not look at the market. He will not even put sales representative there. You understand? He or she will just leave the shop before the person will come. This is Nigeria. People might break into the shop, and you understand. So if you are a scalper, you must pay attention to what? Your trades. Your attention is highly needed. Active traders who can monitor charts constantly. You must be an active trader. So I believe you understand what scalping is now. So let's move to the next. The next, we have day trading. Someone who is involved in day trading is called a day trader. All right. Day trading is opening and closing trades within the same day. No overnight positions. Yeah, there are people that place trade, for example, this morning, they take it to 12 tomorrow, or even overnight. Yes, 1 before they go and close it. That's called a day trader. You understand? So this one involves you opening your trade. It doesn't require full attention to your screen or to your gadget. Like you can just place your trade, then you can set your stop loss, you can set your take profit and just leave it there. You understand? So that's it. The key features: trades last minutes to hours, no overnight risk. You understand? No overnight risk. This one, you are closing your trades. Maybe you placed it in the morning, you close it by 6 in the evening, or as the case may be. Yeah. And it's best for traders who can dedicate several hours daily. These are for traders who can dedicate what? Who can dedicate several hours daily. You can dedicate several hours to your trade daily. So you can go into day trading. And you must know that if you want to become a day trader, you must understand technical analysis. Technical analysis, you must understand it to standard, yeah, before you be able to do that. So let's proceed. We have swing trader. Swing trader. Who is a swing trader, or what is swing trading? Now, holding trades for days to weeks to cash market swings. Yeah, once we start dealing with technical analysis, you will know what swings are. You know what it is. So swing traders are traders that hold trades. They are traders that hold what? Trades for days to weeks. They hold trades for days to weeks, unlike a scalper. You understand? So this one, scalpers, they close trades within minutes or seconds. Yeah. So a swing trader is different from those ones. Swing trader trades for weeks. He holds trades. He holds it, like he can be in the position for close to a week, close to 3 days, close to 4 days, as the case may be, depending on what he or she is targeting. So that's it. And the key features are less screen time. He is not constantly on his or her screen. He can go and do whatever he or she wants to do. You understand? So such trader also what combines technical analysis with fundamental analysis. You understand? Yeah, that's it. And it is best for people with jobs or limited time, people that doesn't have time. Yeah, and it also involves big capital. You can't hold trades for weeks without big capital. The market might kick you off to liquidate your account. So for you to go into swing trading, it means that you have a large capital that could keep you in the account, that could keep you in the trade. So that's it. Lastly, we'll talk about position trading. Position trading, that's long term trading. Another word for position trading is long term. All right, who is a position trader, or what is position trading? Position trading is holding trades for weeks, months, or even years. This one, years have to do. Years have to come in play. They can hold trades for 2 years. So anybody hears anybody say I'm a position trader, my dear, that's not somebody you should play with. Do you know how much capital it requires for you to be in one trade for 1 year? Time. The people that actually do that, they are investors. Yeah, investors. And long is for people that want to invest their money. And for investors, they leave it there. Long-term traders. And this requires what? Patience. You must be patient enough to leave your trade. They place few trades. They can just open two lot size. They can just place two entries. They can just open 2 trades, then leave it there. See, their target is hit. They hit their target. So, and it's actually based on big economic trends. You might not understand what trends is now. Trends, you will get to know them as we proceed. Those are for what? Technical analysis. Once we comes to what? Analysis. You are not into analysis now. These are the basics. So once you get yourself familiarized, once you familiarize yourself to these basics, you'll be able to proceed with analysis, technical analysis. All right, that's for that. I'll see you in the next class.